Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a static homepage on Blogger. This is incredibly useful if you want your blog to display a specific welcome page or landing page instead of your latest posts appearing first. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to blogger.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Blogger dashboard with all your blog management options displayed. This is where you'll handle everything related to your blog's structure and content. On the left side of your dashboard, locate and click on Pages. This section allows you to create standalone pages that aren't part of your regular blog post flow. After clicking Pages, you'll see a button labeled New Page. Go ahead and click on it to start creating your static homepage. Now you'll be in the page editor where you can customize your homepage. Input a name for your static homepage in the title field. This could be something like Home or Welcome. Then in the content area below, add whatever text, images, or layout you want visitors to see when they first arrive at your blog. Take your time here to make it look exactly how you want. Once you're satisfied with your content, click the Publish button to make this page live. After publishing, you'll notice an eye icon next to your newly created page. Click on this icon, which will open a preview of your page in a new tab. From the address bar of this preview, copy the complete URL of the page. This URL is crucial for the next steps, so make sure you've copied it accurately. Now I have a sample code here that you'll need. Feel free to pause the video so you can copy it down exactly. The code you'll need contains an href equals section. What we need to do is change the text that appears after href equals and paste in the URL that we just copied from the page we created. This tells Blogger which page should load as your home page. After you've modified the code with your page URL, copy the entire code. Now head back to your Blogger dashboard. On the left side, click on Theme. You'll see your current blog theme displayed here. Beside the Customize option, click the drop-down menu and select Edit HTML. This will open up the HTML editor where you can directly modify your blog's code. In the HTML editor, you'll need to find the opening head tag. This is usually near the top of the code. Once you've located it, paste your modified code directly after the opening head tag. This placement ensures that your static homepage loads before anything else when someone visits your blog. Finally, look to the right side of the screen and click the Save button. This saves all your changes and activates your new static homepage. Your blog will now display your custom page instead of your latest posts when visitors first arrive. And that's it. You've successfully created a static homepage for your Blogger site, giving you more control over your visitors' first impression. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.